Happy Monday, little monsters. We are at the start of our school lunch week, and this is the last week of school for us. So finally, we're at the end. I don't really know what I'm going to be scrounging up for the week, but we're going to start off the week with our bento kids. And today actually is field day. So I'm going to make the lunch a little fun just because they're going to be outside and tired. I just want them to have a good time and just, not make it so complicated. So the best thing here, chicken fries. This is one of my son's favorite. I actually got these from Aldi, but they do make the same version from Tyson's in the appetizer line. So you can find them in your freezers at the grocery store. But there's 8 of them here. I have clementine peeled up. I have some green grapes already cut up here as well. And then I have his multivitamins in the center with some mini Oreos. He is going to be also bringing a chocolate croissant, some Ritz crackers, and a Rice Krispie treat for snack time. And then we have here chocolate milk and a thermos of water. And that's good morning, guys. So for lunch today, we're using our Bento Kids Pop. Inside our Bento Kids Pop, I made 2 Hawaiian roll sliders. I have in them some salami, some turkey, cucumber slices, and then some lettuce. And then I added some Laughing Cow cheese as a spread. So it's kind of here, it's like all sticky now. But instead of using a cheese slice, I thought that would be kind of like interesting. I don't know. But I have that. And then I have some pistachios, his multivitamins. I put, here in the silicone cup. Apple slices today for his fruit, and then I gave him some chips because I believe that you can't have a sandwich without chips. For a snack, I did find these when I went to Sam's Club this last time. I'm not usually a Sam's Club person. This is like my first time I ever went there. My friend had a membership, and she's like, hey, let's go. And then these were on sale, and I thought these were super cute. Now, can I make these? Of course, you guys have followed me. You know that I can make these into my little bento boxes, but was this super easy just to grab out of the fridge? Yes. So I'm going to see if he likes it. This particular one is the Chips Ahoy, so it has the chocolate chip cookies, it has some cheese in it, and then it has some chocolate covered raisins in it. So I thought it was fun for him just to have as a snack, and super easy for me to grab from the fridge. I have that for his lunch. Just going to give him a large thermos of water. That's what he's bringing to school. We'll see what he finishes at the end of the day. Have a good one, guys. Bye. Hey guys, so for lunch today, we're using our Bento Kids Chilled. This is the one that comes with the ice freeze tray. So in here, you have that. This you leave in the freezer until you are ready to pack for school. So I'm just gonna snap that into place. Then the food tray goes on top afterwards. So today I made some deli meat pinwheels. I have here some ham, some ham and some turkey. And then I have a cheese stick in the center. This is Colby Jack cheese. Rolled it up, cut it into pinwheels, and then I put it on these little skewers here. And then he's gonna have some crackers to go with that. I have his multivitamins here in this little compartment, chocolate chip cookies, and some grapes. That's what he's bringing for lunch. For snack, we have a Bento Kids snack container. I have some pretzel chips here, and then just some blackberries. And then he's just gonna bring 2 thermoses of water. That is what he's bringing to school. We will see what he finishes at the end of the day. Have a good one, guys. Bye. Hey guys, so we are at the last day of school finally. Weeks later, I did make this board. I love making these boards. His school name actually goes here, but I just wanted to keep it hidden there. But this is what I made for the last day. So he'll be taking pictures with this. And for the final lunch, we do have here the Yum Box tapas. So in our Yum Box tapas, I did make something new. Maybe not the best idea for the last day of school, but I found these at Trader Joe's when I went on my last trip there, and they're fish nuggets. So they actually are the shape of McDonald's chicken nuggets. And I made 5 of them, and they're super crispy, so I made them in the air fryer. So I have that, and then I have clementine peeled up, some Cheetos. These are little grape tomatoes called sprinkles, and I also get them Trader Joe's, but they're so small and cute, so I decided to add that. Some green and red grapes, and then I put his multivitamins here in the silicone cup. I actually did not give him a snack today because they have a final day class party, so they're probably going to be eating a whole bunch of junk then, and so we didn't need to pack that, but that is what he's bringing to school. We will see what he finishes on this final day of school. And he's going to be bringing water and then apple juice as well. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so. I know during the summertime, I don't really make any videos when it comes to these lunches, but I do have like so many lunches for the past several years on our playlist. So we'll go ahead and put that there. And then also I'm going to be putting out like my work lunches as well. And then a couple of videos this summer with, you know, just the boxes and stuff that I use. I made one a while ago, and actually it has gotten a lot of views, but it is kind of older, and I have obviously upgraded since then if you guys have been following me all these years. So I'm probably going to be making some of those as well. But for now, this is it for 2024, 2023-2024 school year, and then we will be back next year. Let me know what else you guys want to see in the meantime, and I'll go ahead and try to do those. But thanks for watching, guys. You can also follow me at Little Monster Eats on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, also on Facebook, and also Instagram. Thanks for watching all this time. Have a monsterific year, and we will see you in the beginning of next school year. Have a good one, guys. Bye.